Hyundai ENG, a leading industrial chiller manufacturer in Korea, will contribute to developing secondary battery manufacturing facilities with the know-how and technology accumulated over half a century. As the secondary battery market grows rapidly in line with the growth of the global electric vehicle market, Korean battery facility manufacturers are building manufacturing facilities in the United States and Europe. Hyundai ENG's chillers provide customers with trust through precise temperature control performance and high durability, which are essential in the secondary battery manufacturing process. In particular, because all of our chiller products have obtained the TUV SUD certification in the United States, we can immediately export our chillers to the US market, where secondary battery-related investments are actively taking place. Further, since all of our chiller products have obtained CE certification, we can also export them to the European market, securing our chillers' competitiveness. In this way, Hyundai ENG has performed well in domestic and overseas markets with its top-level technology while doing its best for its customers. Hyundai ENG is growing in the global market. We look ahead to the next 100 years and beyond.